Today, I'm making my Moroccan red clay soap. It's a rich, earthy blend with warm spice and a hint of fresh ginger. Deep patchouli grounds the scent, while clove adds cozy warmth, creating an aroma that feels like a walk through the forest in autumn rain. I'm going to start by weighing my solid oils. I'm using organic coconut oils, like I always do in all of my bars. Coconut oil creates a rich, bubbly lather and gives handmade soap its excellent cleansing ability. Next, I'm going to be adding unrefined shea butter. It's high in vitamins A and E. Now I'm going to melt these oils. I have my lye water mixture already cooling. By the time it cools off, these oils should be at the same temperature. In goes the olive oil, a timeless soap making oil that creates a gentle, creamy lather and leaves the skin feeling soft and conditioned. Now I'm going to add my castor oil. It's especially valued because it boosts lather quality. It creates small, creamy bubbles that last. Now I'm going to weigh out all my essential oils. I only use essential oils. I don't use any fragrance oils in my bars. I always make sure that I have a base note, top note, and a middle note. That way the scent is well balanced and it's long lasting. Earthy patchouli layered with a warming ginger and aromatic clove for a rich, spicy, grounding scent. Now I'm going to combine the melted oils that I heated up on the stove with the olive oil and the castor oil. This is going to bring the oil temperature down to around 110 degrees. I'm using Moroccan red clay for a few reasons. The first reason is that it's a gentle exfoliator. It polishes the skin nicely, and it also leaves the bar with a beautiful desert-inspired clay color. Now I'm going to combine my lye and my oils together and begin the saponification process. I'm going to get this to a light trace, and then I will add my essential oils as to preserve their scent. You want to be careful to adding clove to your soap because it can affect the soap making process. Some essential oils can speed up trace. That's the point where the soap batter thickens. Clove is known to contribute to faster thickening, especially when combined with other spicy oils, so please be careful. Now that our oils are at a light trace, it's time to pour them into the molds. I'm using two 32-ounce molds. Each mold holds about 1,500 grams of liquid. I will get a yield of 16 bars with some scrap cuts that I use for samples at the farmer's market. After I pour the mixture, I'm going to tap the bars on the counter to get out any extra air bubbles. I'm going to cover them with some plastic wrap and an old cutting board. This will help insulate and also prevent soda ash. Now it's time to unmold. I'm using a water discount, which means using less water than a standard soap recipe. This helps for faster unmolding, quicker cure, harder bars earlier, and reduces the risk of soda ash. It also keeps sharper details, crisp edges, and often holds their shape better. I'm able to unmold my soaps within 24 hours. These bars and all my other bars are all for sale at badlandsbotanicals.com. I will put a link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. If you buy my soap, you support my channel. I'm a small creator and I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.